Hi, I'm Mindy, and I'd like to introduce you to Bentgo, the all-in-one stackable lunchbox solution. Making and packing lunch shouldn't be a chore. Bentgo provides a new convenient, healthy, and affordable alternative to portable meal storage. Ideal for adults and families alike, Bentgo is a modern lunchbox for work, school, and travel. Bentgo includes 2 sturdy containers with lids. Dividers in different size compartments allow you to pack all kinds of food in healthy-sized portions. Also included is built-in plastic silverware and a secure sealing strap for easy transportation. Bentgo comes in 4 vibrant color options, while its sleek and smart design saves space with style. In addition to looking great, the Bentgo is made of environmentally friendly and food-safe materials. Best of all, Bentgo is extremely easy to clean and organize. It's completely dishwasher safe and can be reused over and over again. When finished, the 2 Bentgo containers nest inside one another for compact and easy storage. Given its size and versatility, Bentgo is the solution that allows you to reheat food, pack leftovers, and enjoy an at-home dining experience on the go, all while never having to change containers.
Hi friends! Are you looking for the best kids lunch solution? Well, look no further. This is the Bentgo Kids Lunchbox. They're leak-proof, BPA-free, non-toxic, and made with food-safe materials. It's designed with durable, rubber-coated edges that protect the lunchbox when dropped, 2 kid-friendly latches, and inside you'll find a removable microwave and dishwasher-safe tray with 5-portion perfect compartments. Recommended for children ages 3 to 7, this lid is perfectly contoured to each compartment to keep meals and snacks fresh and mess-free during transport. That means you can pack things like sauces, yogurt, ranch, hummus, and even applesauce without even worrying about it spilling between compartments or in your child's lunch bag. I like to pack my kids' lunches the night before and just stack them in the fridge so it's easy to grab and go the next day for school, picnics, or any outdoor activities. And cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the removable compartment tray in the top shelf of your dishwasher after meals and snacks. There are so many different colors, patterns, and prints to choose from to showcase your child's personality. The Bentgo Kids Lunchbox has won the PTPA Seal of Approval, has been featured all over the press, and is loved by millions of customers worldwide. Make life simple, fresh, healthy, and fun with the Bentgo Kids Lunchbox. Calling all salad lovers. If you're looking for an innovative all-in-one salad solution, this is it. This is the Bentgo salad container. It's designed with an airtight lid with a rubberized sealing ring to lock in freshness, a 4-compartment tray to store toppings separately, and a leak-proof sauce container that's perfect for salad dressings. The extra large salad bowl fits up to 4 cups of healthy greens, pasta, or fruits, and it includes a reusable salad fork for mealtime, plus enough room to hold a napkin if needed. I like to meal prep my salad containers for the week and store them in the fridge so it's easy to just grab and go for work, class, or any outdoor activities. When it's time to eat, add in your toppings, dressing, and enjoy. What about cleanup? Just add all of the components into the top shelf of your dishwasher after meals and snacks. And with Bentgo Salad's 2-year warranty, the only worry you'll have is choosing the right color and style from the wide variety of options available.